before. And I've traveled to kind of a remote location away from a lot of traffic and everything. It's about what, 7 o'clock at night or something like that. I don't even know what time it is. But yeah, so I got the bike out. My hands are sore. I'm holding on to the handlebars way too tight. I gotta work on my form. Just relax a little bit. I gotta work on it. I just gotta get more comfortable on it. So it's a 2007 Yamaha R1. I don't like to ride it first or probably second gear. It's way too much torque for me right now. I just want to get the hang of just the feeling of it. I don't want to, torque and weight. This bike definitely does not like to go slow speeds. This bike hates being a low RPM. You will start to feel it. It'll start to get jumpy, like you want to stall. Which, I mean, it's normal for anything with a clutch, including cars too. But this bike, it'll tell you it needs to go a little bit faster. And then also too, if you're on like first gear, you can just feel the torque as you just pull the throttle back. The bike kind of butts forward. I don't know if I'm jerking the throttle a little too much, but you can feel it. That don't boop, and I'm like, oh. Second gear, third gear, fourth gear. All right, I'm comfortable here. just got in from like riding for about 2 hours or so. Man, I had the GoPro strapped on my helmet. Oh, I had the GoPro strapped on my helmet, and the GoPro flew off. So I wanted to go circle back a couple times and try to look for it. Then I seen a cop come, and he just parked out where I was looking for the GoPro at, and I'm just like, bro, why? So I got off the bike, and I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do? Then I just got back on the bike, and I'm like, look, I'm gonna just go home, hop in the car with car now, and I'm about to go look. So that's it for me riding for the night. Had fun, definitely. Stayed away from all the traffic. Riding in a secluded area, but I guess they like to patrol through there or something. But he was literally like parked like he was on a lunch break, and I'm like, what the heck? So I gotta go find my GoPro so I can see some of the footage. Hopefully not that destroyed it so far, but I'm gonna head up there and check it out. Is this what I think it is? Oh. A car must have hit it. Or the battery could have died. Yo, I found this junk. Alright, we out. Bro, I've searched miles, like, we out. Alright. No, I think this junk just died. It don't look like it's cracked on the screen. Yeah, I think it's just dead. It don't look scuffed up. Yeah, it's just dead. I'm straight. Okay. Yes, sir. After about an hour, time to head home, review the footage. Yes, sir. Time to go. So I found the GoPro, you know. I like to give a special shout out because, you know, I was MVP of this game and not giving up, you know what I'm saying? I like to give a special shout out to my parents for raising me to never give up. Special shout out to my girlfriend for keeping me going through this tough time. I'm trying to tell you, man, don't ever give up, bro.